What's up, everybody? Chris Pratt here. They've given me a camera and a list of rules, all of which I'm going to ignore. To be reunited with this Guardians family for Volume 3, it's really fantastic.
We're genuine fans, so there's something really sweet about geeking out on set.
You had me at...
Hello.
The Guardians is about humor, it's about action, it's about cosmic adventures.
Drax, sit up!
That's what it's here for.
Drax, it's called a sofa. It's not a bed.
Well, I find it hard to believe it doesn't have multiple purposes.
But it's really about this found family.
Don't forget where we came from.
This is a Rocket origin story. We are learning more and more about what Rocket has been through.
We were always searching for a family until we found each other.
Let's give the galaxy something to remember us by.
It's so beautiful.
Everything is in the detail.
It's imagination, music, beautiful imagery. It's really a fantastic story from the brain of a mad genius, James Gunn.
Everything that drives it is that emotional center of all of these characters who are all outsiders.
We have been running our whole lives. Pete,
I'm done running.
I love everybody. And I'm so proud of what we've accomplished. I want you all to know that I'm grateful to fight beside my friends.
It's another rock opera. It's really fantastic, and it wraps it up in a way that really only James could.
are you ready for one last ride?
We'll all fly away together.
Into the forever and beautiful sky.
Thank God I don't operate the camera for this movie, because if I did, it would look terrible.